You go all the way around, you go up, pendulum, down, and then go back into the 4-petal by pushing your hand to your front position. So from the bottom, you float up, pendulum, down, and then 4-petal anti-spin. Float, pendulum, float, 4-petal, float, pendulum, float, 4-petal. Mine is not as clean as it could be, I assure you. I go back behind me, pendulum, and then it's in front of me. I go back behind me, float up, pendulum, now it's in front of me. If you're struggling with getting the bottom position, start here with the poi in a circle down at the side. And then practice at the back of the circle, trying to do the float up and then back down into a circle. And at the back of it, trying to get it to go flat, lift the arm, pendulum, come back down, and just circle. And float it up, pendulum, float it down, and circle. So doing that will at least help you get the initial movement. And flat, flat, down. So if you have the two parts where you can do this, and then you can also do the 4-petal anti-spin, the game is to go directly from the 4-petal anti-spin into the float and back into the 4-petal.